Hi, this is Marlon Balbastro from WizBite Creatives. And today I'm going to show you how to create letter portrait in Photoshop. Before we begin, if you're not already a subscriber, click that small subscribe button at the lower right corner to let you know as soon as I upload new Photoshop tutorials. Alright, so let's get started.
WizBite Creatives.
The first step is to create a new document by pressing Ctrl or Command plus N. To ensure that your result will look like mine, make the width 1920 and height 1080 pixels and its resolution 150 pixels per inch. The color mode is RGB and 8 bits per channel. The background color is white. Click the lock icon to unlock the background and double-click it to open its layer style window. Click Gradient Overlay and the Gradient bar. Click the black-white thumbnail in the lower left stop. Click the color box and pick a soft color that works with your subject. You can always change it later if you want. The blend mode is normal and the opacity is 100%. Check reverse, and make the style radial. Scale's 135 degree and the scale is 150%. Open the photo by pressing Ctrl or Command plus O. Next, we'll separate the subject from its background by making a selection around the subject. There are many ways to do this, but for this example, I'll use the Quick Selection tool. If you're using this tool as well, makes its radius anywhere between 100 and 150 pixels. Drag the tool over the inside of your subject to select it. To remove areas of the selection, press and hold Alt or Option as you drag over those areas. To refine the selection's edges, go to Select. If you're using a version earlier than CC 2015.5, click Refine Edge. For later versions, click Select and Mask. If you prefer to use Refine Edge, Shift-click Select and Mask. Check Smart Radius. This detects smooth and hard edges. Drag the radius a bit to the right. To adjust the size of your brush, make sure the Caps Lock key is off. Press the right or left bracket key on your keyboard. Drag the brush over all soft edges like hair. Check Decontaminate Colors, which prevents color fringing along the edges. Drag the amount all the way to the right. Output it to a new layer with Layer Mask. Drag the photo onto the tab of your background. Without releasing your mouse or pen, drag it down and release. To resize and reposition it, open your Transform tool by pressing Ctrl or Command plus T. If you can't see the Transform tool's entire bounding box, press Ctrl or Command plus 0. Go to a corner. If you're using a version earlier than CC 2019, press and hold Alt or Option plus Shift as you drag it in or out. If you're using CC 2019 or later, just press Alt or Option as you drag it. To reposition it, just drag it. Once you're happy with its size and position, press Enter or Return. To zoom in, press Ctrl or Command plus 0. Open your horizontal type tool, and type the name you want. Click the Move tool to active. To resize and reposition it, open your Transform tool by pressing Ctrl or Command plus T. Make the subject layer active and drag above the text. Control-click or Command-click the text to make a selection of its shape. Invert the selection by pressing Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus I. Open your eraser tool and brush picker. Pick a hard round point, I'll make its size 125 pixels, but you can adjust its size if you like. Make its hardness 100%, as well as its opacity. Draw over the photo to hide it. Then deselect it by pressing Ctrl or Command+D. Make the text active and double-click it to open its layer style window. Click Drop Shadow. The blend mode is multiply and color is black. The angles is 20 degree and check the global light. The distance is 25 pixels. Click Gradient Overlay, and the gradient bar. Click the black transparent thumbnail in the lower left stop. Click the color box and pick a soft color that works with your subject. You can always change it later if you want. The blend mode is normal and the opacity is 100%. Check reverse, and make the style linear. Scale's -40 degree and the scale is 150%. Click stroke and make the size 3 pixels. The position, outside and the opacity is 100%. The color mode is black. This is Marlon Balbastro from WizByte Creatives. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.